Like, for instance, your speakers. You know, a lot of people have external speakers. Some people have them built into the monitor. Those aren't really, those are more expensive monitors, but I would not do that. I would get external speakers like this. The monitor speakers are this big, like a dime. And they don't sound really great. These are a little bit bigger. The only trick about these things is, see the green? And it goes into the green jack. It's not that hard. There are 3 jacks. They will go into any jack, but the only one it'll work in is the green one. See, it's green. So it's pretty simple about the speakers, okay? Not too much to know about there. A keyboard and a mouse, of course, have these different ports. These are called USB ports. They could actually go into any one of the slots on the back. It doesn't matter. This one has 5 or 6 on the, actually there's 2 up here, 7, 8, and there's a couple on the front, 9, 10. 10 places you can plug in this mouse. Doesn't matter where you plug it in. Okay. Same thing with the keyboard. So if you bring it to us to fix it, a lot of people do take pictures of the back of their computer before they take the wires out. Kind of a good idea. But this thing, it doesn't really matter which hole it goes into. Okay. There is one that looks really close to a USB port. It's called an HDMI port, and yeah, it does not fit in there. I'll say this for the men in the room. If it doesn't fit, don't keep jamming it in there. Okay? We have had people, gee, it doesn't fit. Let me push harder. Okay? Same thing with the monitors. We have this happen quite a bit. These are, this is the cable for your monitor. Okay? And the cable for the monitor goes in this blue port right here. Oh, by the way, this is blue, and this is blue. Okay, it's the same color, see? Not light blue, dark blue. So this goes in there. It's a trapezoid, so if it doesn't fit, turn it this way. Okay, pretty simple. But this is the only one that actually screws in. These are called thumb screws, where you use your thumb, don't use a screwdriver, and you just go like this. It kind of keeps it from falling out. Okay? And you don't have to even do it much more than this, just so it doesn't fall out. 100% of the time, I have had men, no offense, yank it out of there. Because they don't know that's a screw. Okay? So it's like, and here, let me screw it in all the way. Because this is a broken computer anyway. And they rip it out. That also rips the threads out of this thing. And chances are it damages the motherboard, which is an entire new computer. Okay? So that's why I'm telling you in this class, if it doesn't come out easily, do not continue to yank harder. Maybe there's something you're doing wrong. So just unscrew it like this. See the way the screws go through? And then you just pull it right out.